you doing, guys? How you doing, guys? It's Zero to Millionaire back again with another video. Let's go. So today we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about what am I doing in Hustle University? What skill sets am I focused on Hustle University? I'm doing three, mostly focused on two, but I'm doing three of skill sets at Hustle University. I'm doing trading. I'm doing I have my own online ebook business, so you could say freelancing, and I'm also doing affiliate marketing. Those are the three things I'm doing. Why? I already have a website when I came to Hustle University. I already had an ebook when I came to Hustle University. So I was like, it's only right I do freelancing. So I just focus on the freelancing and affiliate marketing because I already have a YouTube channel. I have my other YouTube channel, M&A Club. That's like, it's not that much, like 400 or 500 subscribers, 440 some subscribers. And I'm like, and I have an Instagram channel that has a pretty good amount of followers. So I was like, it just only makes sense for me to go to freelancing since I'm already, kind of like in a freelance niche. With affiliate marketing, I kind of know a little bit about it. I like affiliate marketing because I like the fact that, for example, I could sell a course that I believe in or sell a product that I believe in and make money from it. So that's just a no-brainer. I'm making money from affiliate marketing. So I'm really liking affiliate marketing and trading. I make money off trading too. Those are the two I really like. My business is kind of like, not passive, but I always put it out there. But those are the two that I'm really liking right now. The affiliate marketing and also the trading. And I recommend anybody who's in Hustle University to do the affiliate marketing. I'm not gonna lie, to do the affiliate marketing. If you don't do that, to do the trading, I believe. And I trade stocks. I don't trade crypto. I might do that in the future, but I trade stocks right now, which I like. I could mostly comprehend. Crypto is all over the place for me. But I recommend you guys, if you join Hustle University, choose a skill and get at it. Get at it. Just get at it, guys. You don't have no excuses. You have stop fumbling the ball. Stop looking around for validation. Just focus and hone in on it. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you, and that's okay. But I always recommend you to put the seatbelt, strap your seatbelt on, and get ready. You get me? Because you guys could do this. Remember, you guys could do this, but it comes with focus, which sometimes I mess up in. Just focus. Trading, as I said, I'm only going to talk about the things I'm doing. I like the freelance program. I frequently talk about Twitter. I'm about to do that. I got the Instagram. I love the affiliate program, but like the affiliate program, I've made money from just doing little hacks that they tell you to do. So I highly recommend, for me personally, if you're a person that got a little bit of time in hands or a person who doesn't even got that much time, trading, you don't have time to do trading. Affiliate marketing and freelancing will be very good. I don't know about, I didn't go to copywriting, so I'm not going to talk about what I don't do or what I don't know about. I don't want to talk about that. I heard good things about the copywriting course, but I don't want to talk about something that I'm not doing or I'm not making money in. The way I make my money is affiliate marketing, trading, and with my website. That's how I make my money. So that's the three things I'm doing. If you're in Hustle University, tell me, what are you focused on? What are you trying to do? And me personally, I might cut back to just almost like two. But let me know, guys, what do you think about doing? What you're trying to do? What your goal is? My goal is to make 3 to 5 times my income. So I'm trying to make at least like $15,000 to $25,000 monthly. That is my goal. Because 15 to 25, that's when I could quit my job. That is my goal. Hopefully, not hopefully, I'm gonna hit the goal. It might take time, but I'm gonna hit that goal. That is my personal goal. Let me know what your personal goal is. It doesn't have to be a crazy number. If you want to make an extra $500 a month, that still is an extra $6,000 a year. If you make extra $1,000 a month, that's still an extra $12,000 a year. That's still decent money. You could do something with that. You could put it down deposit for a condo, or you could put it down deposit for something that you want. You could save that money or invest that money. So just know that whatever your income goal is, and it doesn't have to be like, oh, 10,000, 5,000. No, it could be like me. My income was like, I want to make an extra $200 to $500 a month. And then I want to make an extra $1,000 a month. Now I want to make an extra $2,000. So you don't have to push yourself, or like, you don't have, not that you don't have to push yourself, but you don't have to have on your head make scary goals. How can I say this? Don't think too deep on it. Just know, hit a level and level up from there. So you want to make 100? Okay, make that 100, but level up from there. But if you say that's all right for you, that's all right for you. No arguments here. So in the comments down below, let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. That's the 3 things I'm doing at Hustle University. I will cut it down to 2, but that's what it is so far. I'm like Hustle University so far, making money so far. So let's go. Let's get it. It's Zero to Million. Daniel right back again with another video. Any comments, questions, or concerns, hit the link down below. Hit the comment section down below. Hit the links for all my socials you see in the comment. Follow me on my socials. You can DM me there if anything. Out.